Welcome PyCoders to the new tutorial in core Python tutorials for the beginner. Okay, so in this tutorial, in the last tutorial, we have seen the operators and bitwise operator. So in this tutorial, we have seen the inputting and outputting in Python. So how to done inputting, how to done the outputting, how to create a file in PyCharm, how to create a file in Python ideally, and how to work with so far. So let's have a word with them. For a inputting operation, we will have the function, the inbuilt function from a Python is nothing but input. Okay, which is done the inputting at the console programming, and the print function will be used for outputting the data at the console programming. So let's get started by opening our Python ideally. So I just open my Python ideally. Alright, so I want to be create a new file over here. So how to create a new file? Just go to your file. Okay, just click on the new file. Okay, the new file has been created. Now here it seems, suppose I need to get the one single variable which is called as a var. Okay, so var I need to get, so I just write input by such a way like enter data. Okay, so enter data will be at here, and then later on we will be print our var to check that data is successfully getting or not. First of all, I need to save this file, so I just save this file, save. Okay, as the file called as first.py. Okay, so I just save that file. Now the question is how to run this particular file into the Python ideally. Simply you can go at the run tab and you can directly click on the run module. Once we are click on this, then the program is getting executes. Enter data. Suppose I'm writing the data as Suraj Pawar. Okay, I'm hitting an enter, so I can get all the entered values are coming into the that particular variable. Now I just need to check their type. Okay, so I just write type in bracket. I am writing this again in a print type in bracket var. Alright, I'm saving this code and again rerun our application, run model. So enter data, suppose again Suraj Pawar. So I guess I get one thing, the class is a string. As of you could think like all the data are came in the characters, that's why it take as a string. Okay, so for that same again what I will do, I just rerun my application. I will hitting at the data as 10. Again it will say as a str. What it means actually, the input function will enter the value in our variables but in the only string data type values. We cannot enter the integer or a float values by the keyboard to store their particular way. For that, I need to convert my values into the integer like this, var equal to integer of that var. And once I getting down, okay, what I will do is we will print that str twice a time, the type twice a time by such a way. I just copy that code, and once we have print the value again, I just need to print that particular way the type of this, and again I need to print the type after converting to the integer. All right, so let's save this code and run this program out. Suppose I'm entering 20. Okay, so 2020 first the type is str and then we are converting into the integer. So what it means, if suppose I need to enter the values which are the integer or a floating numbers, then I need to convert this value to the from the string to that particular data type and then store it to the variable. Now simply the one way we can done it so far. So how it will be like, consider variable equal to, suppose integer inputting I want to done, so integer I just write, then input, suppose enter data. All right, single quote. All right, and then I will directly print this variable var. All right, save this code out and again run this one. Enter data, suppose 100. Yep, 100 is got be readed, and now the type of 100 is integer because we are getting converting this one value into the integer and store it to our variable, and which we are going to be printed. Now the drawback of input is at the same time it will only input a one single value from the keyboard. What if like I need to import the multiple values from the keyboard, then we can use the split, but how the split will be working and so on we will see at the next session. Now it seems I need to write one single code that will use for inputting and outputting a part of example. Suppose I need to write addition of two numbers by getting the two numbers to be input from the keyboard, and the addition will be printed on our console. For that the code has been changes like this. Suppose I need to get one single value like a equal to, which is at the integer input, enter a, all right, semicolon, then b equal to integer input, enter b. Okay, and then we will directly calculate c, a plus b, and then I'm printing the c by such a way like addition is, and then I need to print the value of c. Simply you can write the comma c over there. I just save that code. I'm just running it out. Right, enter a as 10, enter b as 20, and you can get the output as a addition is 30. The 30 is the value of c which will be formed and we're gonna be printed by our that print function over to here. So this is a normal program that we can done the inputting and outputting operation in Python. In the next tutorial we will see how to use the split to getting multiple variable values from the keyboard, and how to utilize with the print function as /n/t and such a escape sequence character over to them. So guys, keep watching this video, keep watching this playlist, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, do share, do like. Thanks for watching this video. Happy coding.